#winning. That's what we do.
Welcome back, everyone. This is another Cardano video, but instead of being a tutorial, this will be just a quick rundown of what's next. So, Charles just had a broadcast today and dumped some information on us. Um I'll just get right into it as everyone is eager to find out what's next. So, on December 5th, Cardano will release a lot of information about the upcoming testnet, such as how to use the testnet, how to delegate, stake, um, rate of return. So that information will be dropped on December 5th, and then on December 9th will be the testnet software that you'll need for running a node, which will be Jormungandr 0.8.0. My last video was a tutorial on 0.7.0, so this will be a whole new software that you'll have to load onto your node in order for it to do the live testnet staking. Today, on the 29th, they did the final snapshot for the ADA in wallets, the or not the Jormungandr, but the Yoroi, and then the Dedalus wallets. So if you had ADA in those, the snapshot caught those if it was by this morning. Basically, if you had it in by last night, the snapshot will show on the testnet that you had the same amount. Basically, it'll carry that over so that you can stake that, earn rewards on it, and then once the staking testnet goes to the mainnet, your rewards that you've earned on the mainnet or on the testnet will go to the mainnet. So again, the latest version of Jormungandr 0.8.0 should be dropped on December 9th, and it sounds like that will be also the day when the testnet starts. But on December 5th, we will get more information, all the little details that we've been wanting to hear, like rate of return, and so forth, um, within December 5th. I believe that there will also be a new um, wallet that you'll have to install. It'll be the testnet wallet in order to do the staking on the testnet. But we'll get more information about that for sure on the 5th. All right, well, I hope this, guys, helps you out, and let me know if you have any questions. And let's get this stuff rolling.